Hey guys, a very warm welcome to your channel, Being Up to Date. So today we are going to discuss about a very sensible topic, that is challenges against women. But before starting the video, let me tell you that if you don't want to subscribe the channel, then it's okay. But at least uh, counter my viewpoints or give your viewpoints in the comment box below. So let's start the video without any further delay. In India, we gives women the status of goddess because it's our thinking that the one who gives birth to humans and humanity is none other than God. In fact, that's the reason we consider our land as Bharat Mata, where humans and humanity exist together. And in order to maintain the same status of women in our country historically, with the efforts of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Pandita Ramabai Saraswati, Sati Pratha got abolished and several schools and colleges were opened for girls, which helped them to get their individual identity in the society. And it is all because of the heroes like them that today women are also contributing in development of our country. Whether if we talk about TV industries, sports, politics, or even nowadays women are also coming in combat role. Although there are also several challenges which prohibits the participation of women in the development of our country, like the limited thinking of people, mainly in rural areas regarding the education to women due to their own illiteracy, and consequently domestic violence happens. But today there are many families who wants to educate their daughters, but fear of eve teasing and several harassment to their daughters stops their feet. In fact, there are also many families whose focus is mainly on collecting dowry for their daughter's marriage instead of educating them. And also, USA recently issued triple advisory regarding India, in which they warns Americans of rape in India. So, to tackle all these situations, we should first start from our society by educating our nearby people about the importance of women education and by giving girls the extra classes of self-defense in their respective schools and colleges. Here youths of India also needs to stand against dowry system. Government of India is also working for the security of India. As a result, Delhi installed 1826 CCTV cameras and got the tag of having most number of installed CCTV cameras in the world, which will definitely play an important role in avoiding crimes against women. And recently, National Family and Health Survey issued that it is the first time in the history of India that sex ratio favors women. That is, now today there are 1020 women in comparison to 1000 men. Now we just need to maintain this ratio by giving equal opportunities irrespective of gender. So overall, to transform India into a developed country, crimes against women and gender inequality are the most important things to be focused on. The country now demands a dire need of the upliftment of basic mentality of looking at women differently. And government needs to continue its endorsement on educating girls. Then India will known as a nation of youth having women in dominance. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And please don't forget to comment in comment box given below.